If you've ever stood in front of your wardrobe thinking, how can I make these jeans look elegant? You're not alone. Denim is one of the most worn pieces in modern fashion, yet it's also one of the trickiest to elevate. We often associate jeans with casual, everyday looks, but in 2025, the most stylish women are proving that denim can be just as refined as tailored trousers or silk skirts. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your jeans look classy, elevated, and effortlessly elegant. And no, it's not about piling on accessories or chasing trends. It's about intentional styling, refined textures, flattering silhouettes, and the art of balance. Let's walk through the subtle shifts that turn your jeans from off-duty to elegantly dressed. Ready? Contrary to what you might think, elegant women don't reject denim. They just know how to wear it right. Denim is a neutral base. It's timeless, practical, and when styled with care, it can be a beautiful contrast to soft blouses, structured outerwear, and luxe accessories. The key lies in the how. It's not about the jeans alone. It's how they're styled, what they're paired with, and the overall energy of the outfit. In 2025, elegant fashion is all about restraint, about pieces that feel timeless, polished, and curated. And yes, that includes denim. Let's be honest, not all jeans are created equal. If you want your denim to look elegant, you need to be selective. Opt for high-quality fabric with structure and a clean finish. This year, we're seeing a clear shift toward classic cuts. High-waisted, straight-leg, and wide-leg jeans are the foundation of polished outfits. Avoid distressed finishes, heavy rips, or overly faded washes. These tend to lean too casual or trendy. Instead, go for deep indigo, soft ivory, rich beige, or crisp white. Tailoring matters too. Your jeans should flatter your shape without feeling tight or uncomfortable. A good fit around the waist, minimal bunching at the ankles, and smooth lines make all the difference. An elegant woman never looks squeezed into her clothes. Everything should feel balanced and intentional. Once you've selected the right jeans, your top half will do most of the heavy lifting in terms of sophistication. Choose pieces that contrast denim's casual energy with softness or structure. Silk blouses, crisp button-downs, and fine cashmere knits bring texture and fluidity. Look for details like covered buttons, draped silhouettes, or high-quality stitching. Tucking in your blouse or gently cinching the waist creates shape and elevates the overall silhouette. Layering is also essential. A tailored blazer in camel or ivory. A trench coat in muted olive or soft gray. A long-line cardigan in a fine knit. These outer layers instantly add elegance, especially when they flow past the hips and create clean vertical lines. And remember, balance is key. If your jeans are wide leg, pair them with something fitted on top. If you're wearing a more tapered denim, allow for some volume in your top, perhaps a silk blouse with gathered sleeves or a softly structured jacket. One of the fastest ways to make your denim look expensive is by choosing the right colors. Neutral on neutral always wins. Think denim with ivory, soft taupe, blush pink, butter yellow, or camel. These combinations feel soft, rich, and effortlessly elegant. A monochrome look also works beautifully, pairing beige jeans with a matching top, adding tonal texture with suede loafers and a leather handbag, or styling crisp white denim with a pale blue cashmere knit and nude heels. Deep indigo denim pairs perfectly with soft pastels for spring, powder blue, lavender, or champagne. These pairings bring harmony and sophistication without looking forced. And if you want to go bold, a pop of cherry red through a handbag or silk scarf can elevate an otherwise minimal outfit. Want more in-depth color combination inspiration? Make sure to check the color-focused videos on this channel. We've covered timeless palettes that bring out the best in elegant dressing. Let's talk about shoes, because they anchor your whole outfit. In 2025, footwear is minimalist but intentional. The goal is refinement without sacrificing comfort. Think leather slingback heels, pointed toe flats, soft suede loafers, or mid-heel mules. These styles elongate the leg and work seamlessly with denim without clashing with the aesthetic. For more casual days, a sleek pair of off-white sneakers with no logos and minimal design can absolutely work. The key? Keeping everything else structured, no baggy tees or oversized hoodies. Remember, the shoe might be casual, but the look stays elevated. Accessories are how elegant women finish a look without overpowering it. A structured tote, a gold chain bracelet, a silk scarf tied at the neck or on your handbag. All small details that make a big impact. These aren't add-ons, they're essentials that quietly elevate the entire outfit. This season, minimal gold jewelry reigns supreme. Think delicate hoops, thin stacking rings, or a single vintage style watch. Nothing too shiny, nothing oversized, just timeless elegance. Handbags are neutral toned, made of leather or textured canvas, and always structured. Never slouchy, never flashy. They're understated but clearly curated. Sunglasses are timeless. Black or tortoiseshell frames with clean lines that complement the face without dominating it. And for spring, a silk scarf in pastel or heritage print is the ultimate rich mom accessory. It adds dimension without effort. Whether tucked into a blazer pocket, knotted around a bun, or simply draped over the shoulders, it completes the look with that subtle air of refinement. Even belts and shoes follow the same philosophy. Classic shapes, refined textures, no loud logos. It's this level of attention to detail that turns a basic jeans outfit into something you'd stop and admire. Even the best denim outfit can feel incomplete without polished grooming. The elegant aesthetic values neatness over trend. That means hair that's either softly styled, neatly pulled back, or blown out for volume, not overdone, just clean and intentional. Makeup stays in the neutral family, glowing skin, groomed brows, a soft rose lip, and a bit of definition around the eyes. You don't need a full face. You need freshness. The goal is effortless confidence, not an Instagram filter look. Even nails speak to the overall vibe. Short, clean, and subtle. Think soft pink, classic red, or a natural sheen. Everything is subtle, soft, and cohesive. Fragrance plays a quiet role too. A delicate, powdery scent or soft floral note adds refinement without overpowering. Accessories are equally minimal. Stud earrings, a classic watch, or a simple bracelet. The beauty of the elegant look is how it all works together seamlessly. Nothing shouts for attention, yet the overall impression is unforgettable. What makes jeans look elegant isn't just styling, it's the mindset behind the look. An elegant woman doesn't dress to impress. She dresses to reflect how she feels, composed, comfortable, confident. This way of styling denim works because it's not trying too hard. It lets the quality of the fabric, the simplicity of the cuts, and the harmony of the color palette do the talking. It says, I care, but not in a loud way. True elegance in denim comes from restraint, choosing subtle over statement, timeless over trendy. It's about clean lines, quiet textures, and curated simplicity. An elegant woman understands that her presence speaks louder than any outfit ever could. Denim becomes a canvas, not the centerpiece. Whether she's in a soft ivory knit or a sharp blazer, it's how she carries herself that transforms jeans from basic to breathtaking. If you're leaning into the rich mom aesthetic, your denim should feel part of a lifestyle, not just a wardrobe. You're wearing jeans to pick up your fresh flowers and croissant on a Tuesday morning. You're strolling through the city in kitten heels, linen blazer, and wide-leg denim. It's aspirational, yes, but completely attainable. This version of denim dressing isn't about showing off. It's about showing up, with grace, with intention, and always with that air of quiet confidence. Everything feels considered, even if it took only 5 minutes to get dressed. No flashy logos, no obvious trends. Just well-made pieces, thoughtful styling, and a mindset that whispers, never shouts. It's not about looking rich. It's about looking like elegance is simply second nature. So, there you have it. How to take something as simple and universal as denim and style it into a look that feels elegant, elevated, and undeniably chic. Whether you're wearing jeans to brunch, a casual meeting, or a spring evening walk, these principles will carry you every time. Choose clean silhouettes, pair with refined textures, stick to soft color palettes, and accessorize with intention. If you loved this video and want more timeless style inspiration, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, how do you wear denim with elegance? And if you're ready to turn even your most casual pieces into polished ensembles, I'll see you in the next video. Stay chic, ladies!